Just give everything to God. Huwag mong pasinin yung katabi mo, huwag mong pasinin yung nasa harap mo, huwag mong pasinin yung sino man dyan. Pasinin mo ang Lord. Just close your eyes. Just sing this song, Lord. Let my heart be the temple of this Spirit. Kung sinasabihan ka ng Lord ngayon na magpakumbaba ka, it's now your time, my brother and my sister. Jesus. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Let my heart be the temple of your Spirit.